dito sa Australia may mga ganitong pasilidad na pwedeng gamitin ng kahit sino gustong mag-picnic. May nakaabang na barbecue stand which electric. Gonna turn this on. Basta linisin mo lang pagkatapos mong gamitin. This is for everybody. My cottage, it's for free. Can bring your friends, families, and have a picnic. Very, very close to the ocean. Water is not a problem. Even your pits. Yan, inom yung mga aso. This for drinking water. And the ocean is just near in front of us. Kaya lang medyo masama ang panahon ngayon, but it's a very nice place to hang out. Oh, there are some doing their boards. Ito yung tinatawag nila na Casuarina Beach. Reserve. Some are having surfing, some are having paddleboard. What a scenic beauty.